it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another amazing episode from yours truly, Life Made Easy. Today we got another PC video coming your way. Skytech Shiva gaming PC desktop, rocking AMD CPU. A little different than the Intel computers I've done in the past. Happy to get back to whole PC overview videos. These traditionally do pretty well on my channel, so if you guys enjoy it, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload, and subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast. Links in the description. Help me get to 100 subs on there. Every single person who goes over there and subscribes and leaves a comment, I'll be shouting out in future videos. Nuck Jr., thank you so much for being one of the biggest fans of College Made Easy podcast. Appreciate you. So now, and if you haven't already, go subscribe to Nuck Jr.'s account. I'll link that in the description as well. Hopefully I remember to do that. A lot of links, and I'll also leave a link to this PC at the end of the video if you guys want to go pick it up for yourself. I'll put the Amazon link. Okay, so sorry for the long introduction. Let's hop right into the Skytech Shiva gaming PC desktop. This was recommended to me by a fan, so may as well take a look. If you guys have any recommendations, definitely leave those in the comment section down below, and I'll happily take a look at the computer you're interested in. That was a mouthful. Okay, so Ryzen 5 2600 6-core processor. Honestly, okay, so this is $1,000, right? $999. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, incorrect. This is not $999. This one's $999. Why is this one more expensive? That is weird. Compared to this one. AMD, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. Let's just roll with it for now. But I thought it was $999, but it's more closely to $1,400, which is not even close to what I was saying or thinking. But whatever. Ryzen 5 2600 6-core. Man, that price has completely changed my whole opinion of this. Now I'm looking at this and just thinking, okay, all that money is just going towards the graphics card because it has an RTX 2060, which is a fantastic graphics card. Don't get me wrong. But this should be a Ryzen 7, and this should be a 1,000 terabyte SSD or a combination of an SSD and a hard drive, 2 terabyte hard drive. Okay, wow, wow, completely changing my opinion of this mid video. Okay, it's got RGBs here. Let me just give you the pictures. It's a clean case. Don't get me wrong. Skytech makes really nice PCs. There's the graphics card Asus logo there. I don't doubt that it has nice RGBs. Honestly, most pre-builts have fine RGBs. If I were to get a gaming PC like this, which I am considering in the future, I wouldn't want like the most flashy PC. I do like a solid white color or solid black color. I'm not into the whole like red or green. What's the word I'm looking for? Almost like combination of those colors. I just want solid black or solid white or something like that. But yeah, looks like a clean case to me. I would rock this. And if I was doing RGB lighting, I would just keep it on a single color. I'm not a huge fan of the whole rainbow thing. But yeah, this processor for this price, that sucks. Graphics card, fine. You can play like any AAA title, honestly, with a graphics card like that. I wonder what the performance comparison is between this and like an Xbox One X or the Series X coming out. But I have no doubt that this PC, okay, so you can like pump out 4K graphics with this. So that kind of answers that. Like if you're able to play in 4K, I think you're fine. I don't know why you would be playing here's some benchmarks, but I don't know why you would be playing in 4K, unless you just want to. But honestly, I think 1440p gaming and 1080p gaming is well enough. Human eye at that point can't even detect it, so to me it's pointless. But yeah, you're getting some nice FPS, 99 FPS on Borderlands, high settings, 1080p. Like thumbs up to that. Like, and that's all the graphics card basically. Like, I mean the CPU's aight, but I think they could have done better here. Man, Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order is like really graphically intensive. It's only 76. That's crazy. Also the 2060 has 6 gigabytes of video RAM, that's like pretty big, not gonna lie. This 500 gigabyte SSD is fine, but if you're the kind of person that has a lot of files on your computer, you're gonna run out of space very, very quickly. And the reason I say that is because, like, look at how much it's never 500 gigs right out of the box when you get a computer, or like it's never the maximum it says. You always have to take like 10, 15, maybe 20% off that number. Because like you have to take into account Windows and then like other applications that are pre-installed on your computer, bloatware, all that kind of stuff. It sucks, but I wish like this is probably like maybe 400, 420, something like that. 2 USB ports, 2 USB 2 ports, 4 US. I've never had an issue with any computer I've gone over in terms of USBs. Like they all have plenty of USBs. I don't think that's ever been a complaint for anyone for the most part. I don't know what computer like limits you on USB ports. Maybe like it's a limit on USB-C or Thunderbolt 3, like something like that. I mean, like, or you can complain about Xbox not having enough USBs, which I do complain about all the time. But that's all a separate story. Or maybe laptops are like the big one that lack in those sort of things. But a full desktop never lacks in that kind of stuff, which is a plus. Why you should get a gaming desktop. Maybe not a pre-built if you're not into that. I completely respect both sides of the coin. If you want to go pre-built or if you want to build your own, up to you. I'm more of a pre-built person just because I'm lazy and I don't want to learn how to build one. Maybe in the future I will. But I want to take the risk off myself and allow another expert to build it for me. Just my personal opinion. Honestly, I could care less about the tower dimensions. All PCs are around the same exact size. Maybe that's like, if this is important to you, if you're trying to like fit it in a tight space or something, you pay attention to that sort of thing, but I don't. White, obviously, I don't know if it's pretty obvious. DDR4 RAM, 16 gigs. 16 gigs, it's fine. I mean, like, it's not an issue, but I feel like it could be a little higher if you're paying almost $1,400 for. I'm going to get a lot of hate on this, honestly. Like, this is like one of those examples where it's just not worth the money for the specs you're getting. This is the kind of thing where it's like every other spec is lacking because of that graphics card and how expensive it is. But even that, I know this company has to make a profit, but that price is way too high for this. Hard drive rotational speed. Am I missing something? There is no hard drive in this computer. What? Like what? Okay. I mean, there's no hard drive in this, so why is it giving me? It's solid state. Solid states don't spin. Okay, that's a little weird. I don't know why it's saying that. Did I miss something? I'm not. There's nothing about a hard drive in here, so why even include that? I don't know. This PC's, I wouldn't pay for this myself. It's got good reviews, which is nice, but I wouldn't pay that much. Wait for that to go on sale, honestly. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I don't know your thoughts on PC. I know I'm going to get hate for this video or something like that. Like I'm a simp when it comes to pre-builts, but I don't know. This was just recommended to me. I thought I'd give my honest thoughts on it. I wouldn't buy this. Not saying it's a bad machine. I'm just saying it's not worth almost $1,400 in price. Even if you are giving me an RTX 2060, that's not worth it. In my opinion, if you care about gaming so much, save your money and buy like an Xbox Series X, because you'll get similar graphics performance out of that at a much cheaper price, even though we don't even know the price of the Xbox Series X, but I'm guessing it's gonna be like $500-600 at max, which I am excited about, which I technically should be buying, considering that one video I uploaded got 100 likes, so I have to buy it now, which I'll buy it. I don't care. I made the majority of, I've made my career on this YouTube channel off Xbox videos, so I feel like I owe it to Xbox to invest in their company and buy their console, help Microsoft's stock price keep going up. Because I don't know, I'm looking into investments. Like if you're an investor in Microsoft when they come out the new Xbox, that's gonna skyrocket, even though we're going through a recession right now. But honestly, I could see sales. I don't know. I could see sales spiking just because everyone's bored in their house at the moment. But we'll have to see. Unemployment's really high. No one has any money, so maybe their sales will be down. We'll just have to see. It could go either way. I don't know. So guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Ciao, guys.